What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your very own Kahoot quiz game for free. First, open up your browser and head to kahoot.com. This is the starting point for creating your quiz. If you don't already have an account, click on Sign Up in the top right corner of the homepage. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the type of account you'd like to create. It doesn't really matter which option you select, as the functionality is the same across account types. After choosing, you can either sign up using your email and create a password, or you can opt to continue with Google for a quicker setup. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you're ready to get started. Now that you're logged in, you might see a page prompting you to choose from Kahoot's paid plans. Don't worry, you can simply click on Continue for free to bypass this step. After that, you'll be taken to your Kahoot dashboard. From here, you can begin creating your quiz. To start, click on the Create button, which is usually in the top left corner of your screen. You see an option to create a Kahoot from scratch or use one of their templates. For this tutorial, let's build a quiz from scratch, so click on Create Kahoot. In the quiz editor, you can now start adding your questions. On the right side of the screen, you'll find options to customize your quiz, such as choosing themes or adding media like images. Begin by typing your first question in the designated field. Below the question, add your possible answers and mark the correct one by clicking on it. You can also upload a relevant image or select one from Kahoot's built-in library to make your quiz more engaging. Once you've added your first question, you can add more by clicking the Add Question button on the left side pane. You'll see options to add quiz questions, true or false statements, and more. Note that some advanced question types are only available with paid plans, but the basics are free and more than enough to create a fun and interactive quiz. After completing your quiz, click Save. You'll need to give your quiz a title and optionally add a description to help organize it. Once you've saved it, your quiz is ready to use. To play, click on your newly created Kahoot, then hit Start. Select the game mode. Classic mode is perfect for individual players, and Kahoot will generate a pin for the game. You can share this pin with your friends or provide them with the QR code so they can join. And that's it. You've successfully created your very own Kahoot quiz game. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.